Hi, beautiful spicy family. Welcome to DeDon Kitchen. Today, guys, we will be doing Guinness Spice Easter bun. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like and share the video. Hit that notification bell so when DeDon upload a video, you will be the first one to know. And to all my YouTubers, supporters, subscriber, follower, silent watcher, a very big warm welcome to you all. Let me know, guys, where you are watching the video from and how you do your Easter Dragon Spice bun. Please become a member on the channel, and you can always leave a super thanks. It's well appreciated. When you watch a video, like the video so YouTube can send out the video to a wider audience. Thank you all, and let's dive into it. It's not DeDon. DeDon is gonna supervise Kerry K how to make the Guinness bun, Easter bun. So she will be under DeDon supervision. Let's get started. So Kerry K is about to begin. 1/4 cup of cherries, 1/4 cup of green cherries, 1/2 pound raisin, 2 eggs, 1 pound all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the mixed spice, it already have cinnamon powder, ginger, it have nutmeg, it have everything that you need for your Easter bun. So if you don't have the mixed spice, you can get the cinnamon powder. You use 1/2 teaspoon and you use 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. But all of this is already combined in the allspice. So it's gonna be 1.5 teaspoon of ground allspice. For the wet ingredient, here we have 2 cups of dark sugar. The darker the sugar is, the better in baking. 2 teaspoons of browning. 1 bottle of Guinness Stout. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1 box of full cream milk. And that's the cow's milk. You can use whatever milk you have. If you have almond milk, whatever milk. 1/4 cup of butter. And this I'm using chiffon butter because I'm in Jamaica. The sugar, half of the sugar in the Guinness. I'm gonna put the salt in the mixture. With the butter, you're gonna add the butter in. You will be placing the wet mixture on the stove just for the sugar and the butter to be melted. I'm gonna break the eggs. It looking like this. No butter and the sugar. We're gonna set it aside for it to cool. We're gonna sieve the flour. It's always good for you to sieve your flour. 1 pound of flour, because if you don't sieve the flour, then the cake become too hard. It's good to sieve so you can part through, so whatever you're making is light and fluffy. Also, you're looking for any crawling insect. See what I'm talking about? Look there, crawling insect in the flour. So it's good for you to sieve. You see those little black thing are crawling inside. The phone is ringing.
2 handful of raisin to the flour.
So the raisin and the currant is in the flour. And the reason why you do this, so everything won't sink. You will have some floating right all through the bun. What she's doing now, she's just gonna cut some of the cherries, the red cherry and the green cherries, and she will be adding it to the flour. Some black raisin and currant to the flour. She chopped the red cherries and the green cherries and she adding it to the flour. You're gonna mix up that. What kind of mixing there? What kind of mixing? Yeah, that's you want. Just want to combine. You don't have to be flashing all the. Why you mixing so she can take your time and mix?
Time mix it. Baking powder now to the mixture of flour.
So you're gonna mix that. What? You like to mix it?
Right.
You're learning to make bun today?
Yes, I do.
So now you can make your own bun?
Yes.
And how much for a bun here in Jamaica?
1,000.
No more than $1,000 too. All $2,000-$3,000.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Probably 1,000 for the small one.
Yeah. 1,050 for the small one. 1,050 for the small bun in Jamaica.
And the big one up to from 1,000 to what? 3,000?
3,000 go up.
So what you gonna do now? You still gonna buy bun?
No, I'm gonna start make bun on my own. As from today, we start make bun by ourselves.
Right? And when you buy, you can make all 3 bun out of what you're baking, right? And you can make bun and start sell.
Yeah.
You don't think it's a good idea?
Yes, I sell bun for myself.
Right? Exactly.
Right.
So now the cold ingredient, it is cold. We're gonna add the eggs in. You can't add the egg if it is too hot or if it's even warm, because you know what will happen? You will be cooking your eggs. So you have to rest it in the fridge, in the freezer, so it can become cold before you add the rest of the ingredients. Add the egg in and you're gonna mix it up. And we add the rest of the milk also in it. That's a vanilla. This is a browning. She will be adding the mixed spice in. She will combine in. And to that you're gonna add your wet ingredient. Begin to add the wet ingredient. You want to stir first before you add, and you're going to add a little gradually until I told you to stop. Stop, and you're going to mix that. Mix it up. Take your time and mix, please, madam. I think I want the bun a little darker, so you're gonna add 1 more, because this browning is very weak. Add 1 more teaspoon of browning. That's 1 teaspoon? That can be 1 teaspoon, a little bit more. Should be using a mixing. We're just doing our thing because we don't have any hand mixer right here now in Jamaica, so we have to do our thing. So there's your mixing. Okay, you're just gonna add a little more of the mixture from the pot. You got to mix that first. You can't just take it and pour in it, because you have settlement in it, so you got to mix. That's enough. That's enough. Just add some to that. stop. Mix again. We just have a little mixture in, and I'm just gonna pour it in. So okay, this is how you want the mixture to be looking. Not too runny, and not too thick. So she's gonna set this aside and she will be greasing the baking pan. There she's greasing the baking pan. And now you're just gonna pour the mixture in. And you're gonna scrape the pan out with a spoon. Just scrape the mixture out in the baking pan. Don't turn the pan because you don't want the outside of the pan to mess up. Just decorating the top of the bun. Put some in the corner over there. Okay, use the green now. Too much on this one.
Put it in the oven, you know. I can't believe that me really make this.
Under
nice,
the supervision of DeDon.
Under the supervision of DeDon Kitchen. So thank you, DeDon Kitchen, for teaching me how to make an Easter bun. So now we're gonna put it in the oven.
And you're gonna bake for 350
and we're gonna,
on 350 degrees for 1 hour.
And we're gonna bake
or until fully baked. Sometimes even 45 minutes. So you're gonna place it in the oven.
I'm gonna place it in the oven. Right.
This is it, guys. The bun is baked, but we're not finished yet. You have to make some glaze. So normally you can make the glaze with guava jelly. You can make it with jam. You can make it with some sugar, whatever. So this is just some sugar and some juice from the bag that the cherry was in, along with a little of the Guinness. And no brush nor anything is here to put. So you have to, them say what? Turn your hand, make fashion. So now I am just gonna garnish, cause you have to garnish the top of the bun so it looks shiny. You know when you buy a bun you say it looks shiny. So that's what I will be doing now. Just dip, make a piece of paper and you just tap on top of the bun while it is hot before it gets cold. So this is it, beautiful people. The Easter Guinness spice bun is now ready for eating. Don't it looking delicious? It looking delicious. So why not give it a try? Go ahead and give it a try. Easter bun, you don't have to be buying. Just make your own. And what you're gonna do now?
Eat it.
No, you're gonna make your own bun.
I start to make my own bun. You know, yes. To buy. Don't have to buy any bun. I make it at home.
You're gonna make bun and begin sell, you told me?
Yeah, I would make some and sell on my own. Yes, make my own and sell.
So thank God for what? DeDon?
Thank God for DeDon Kitchen,
Who show you how to make what?
who teach me how to make bun, Easter bun. Subscribe, like and share DeDon Kitchen and hit the bell.
You heard that from this beautiful lady. I love you all. Guys, thank you for watching DeDon Kitchen. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share the video with a friend and a friend, friend. And let me know where you're watching the video from. Peace and love. Bye, yeah. Hey, that is so nice.